Hello Libra, this is the Lady of the Throne where God dwells within me as me. I'm here today to talk to you guys about what's going on in your love life from November 16th to the 30th. So this is going to be the last 2 weeks in November, although some of this information can spill over to December a little bit. So keep in mind as you're watching that it may not resonate with everyone, but if it does resonate with you, hit the thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you're interested in getting a personal guidance, go ahead and check out the description box down below for that. You will see the link there, and then also at the beginning of this video, you'll see the link for the site to take advantage, because everything right now is half off. So if you guys are interested, get it while it's at a really good price. I know the holiday time is here and people are busy shopping and doing things and trying to get things ready for the holidays, but I mean, it's not that bad, you know. You can find something as low as $5 on my shop site if you are interested. Okay, so Libra, let's talk about what is going on in love for you. This is going to be for those of you who are single, ready to mingle, if you have a situationship, if you have a person that you're interested in. All right, this is for single Libras. Always remember that. All right, so because I don't want you guys coming here and you're married and you're listening to this, although some things can still apply, but it's not the intention. All right, so Libra, let's see here. So some of you guys may be feeling like, speaking of marriage actually comes up in your energy. And it's more like a metaphor for some of you, where you may feel like some sort of estranged wife to someone, even though this may not be true, but you may feel like that. It just comes this feeling where maybe someone's being really cold towards you or distant towards you, and you don't always get to see them or get to be with them. So it really feels like this person just doesn't exist. So some of you could be, at a loss because of this. It just could feel like, you're not gaining anything from the situation dealing with someone, and you're at a major loss because of it. This person could be missing in action. You could be taking a break. I feel like you're going on a hiatus. Like you're taking a real break from this person. And I mean, when I say a break, I mean a break. Like you could be like, you know what, I'm done. I am done. I'm taking a break. So for some of you, you just could be walking away from something or someone, or you could just feel the need to keep your distance from them until you feel emotionally better again. This person's family or people they know could also be trying to like get around you or get in your energy, but you're like pushing them away too. Some of you are like, I don't really want to talk to the cousin right now. I don't really want to go hang out with his little sister today. Like, I don't really want to do this. Like, some of you are just like, no. Some of you are tired of playing the role of someone's friend, or maybe tired of helping someone. Maybe you're always giving help and being generous to this person, but I feel like you're at your wit's end with this. You're done with playing games or being confused about everything. You're ready to explore other options in dating or options in love for some of you, and consider something more possibly with someone else. What's coming up here is that for some of you, this is like a past life connection that for some of you it may not work because there's a lot going on in this connection. But who's to say? This is a general guidance. I'm not going to tell you guys that, and anybody could be listening. I'm not going to deter you. But some of you could be like, you could have had a past life relationship with this person. Like you could have been this person's mom in a past life. You could have been their sister. You could have been their wife in a past life. You could have been their daughter in a past life. But this is coming up, and if it's not about like a past life connection, then it could just be something about where these are the people that are trying to find you, or these are the people that are trying to, like, I don't know, be close to you or connect to you because of your person. So it could be their mother, their wife, their sister, their daughter, like people like that. And I say their wife because, they could be married. Some of you could be dealing with somebody that's married. I don't know. But it seems like multiple people could be trying to get in touch with you because of this person during this time frame. So this person feels like you're pretty powerful, Libra. They feel like, and this is not like you being a powerful person just like in the world. It could be for some of you, but I don't take it as that. I feel like they see you as being powerful in the relationship or connection with them. They feel like you're the more dominant person. So you could be making some big move or a major power play right before this person's eyes. And this power play that you're making makes them feel like you've left them behind, or you're leaving them behind because of this. There's something about you completely removing yourself from this person's life. This person is not going to take this well. Okay, I'm just letting you know this right now. This person's going to travel toward you or come and find you. I keep saying the word find because I'm getting an energy where this person is going to hunt you down. They're going to hunt you down like a hunter, because you are the only person that they want. You are the only person that they're interested in. And if you walk away again, this time they know the reason why you're walking away. This time, I feel like they're coming to find you, Libra. They're going to look for you. They're going to get people to call you, or they're going to, maybe even if they're not getting people to find you, their family, their mom, their sister, their family, they're looking for you because they know that this person loves you so much. And this person is taking this so hard. So people may be coming to find you for them, okay? This person can't seem to escape the thoughts of you at all. They always think about you. This person feels like they have to be with you no matter what. Now, there's a part of them that feels like you're letting go. And there's a part of them that feels like they're letting go, right? I feel like they're letting go of their need to control in this connection. They try to control this connection too much, and look at where it's gotten them. This person knows that they tried to control too much, too many different aspects and situations in the connection, which made you run away. It's making you leave. It's making you move away from them. Okay, so they know that like they need to stop doing that. So they're in this energy of feeling like they need to surrender now. Give in to you, give in to your love. And so they're coming to get you. They're coming to get you. They're making this clear. Now, the way you see them, Libra, you see them letting go. You see them letting something go. You see them preparing for a change right now. They're letting things go, and they're preparing for a change. Now, this change, I feel, is them focusing on you now. This could be someone who was dealing with another person. Like I said, they could have been married to someone else, but all their family and friends are looking for you. They want them with you. That's what I feel. But some of you, this person could have animals like pets, dogs and stuff. This person may be connecting with pets right now. Like you may see pictures of them posted online with them and their pets, or possibly you may have spirit animals visiting you, and they're coming to visit you with some spiritual messages and guidance, and they're telling you things about what's going on with this person while you're at a distance from them, or while you have your back turned toward them. These animals are coming with messages. So animals can come with messages, and I'm sure a lot of you spiritual people here, you know about spirit animals. So pay attention to those animals, because they're trying to tell you things. They're communicating things with you because of what's going on with this person. But you see them letting something go. Maybe they're letting you go, even though I feel like they're trying to find you. But at the same time, if they can't find you, they may let it go. But I feel like it's more about them letting go their need to control. and they're starting to change because they're trying to control the way your connection comes together. They're trying to keep you in your place, but they realize that hasn't gotten them anywhere. That's only gotten them seeing you walk away. So they just see you right now as deserving. You deserve more from them. You deserve to be gifted with nice things. You deserve to have nice things. You deserve to have your peace. You deserve to be in harmony and find that balance that you're seeking. They also feel like you, like I said, they feel like within this connection with them, you have a powerful presence in this connection with them. But they want you to use this power that you have for peace with them, not for like bad things, not to go off and get upset with them and storm away and run away from them. They don't want you to feel like that. They want you to bring peace to your connection, bring love to it. They want you to welcome a new beginning with them. They want you to just be happy. This person feels like they don't know how to make you happy. They don't know what to do to make you happy. They don't know what to do. They don't know. This person's honestly getting a little lost. They honestly feel like they don't know because you're so powerful. You're so powerful to them. So they don't know how to get you how they want you to be. They don't know how to make you not as strong as you are. Just to weaken a little bit or be a little bit more vulnerable to come down to their level. Instead of them doing that, I feel like, and I rarely leave my personal opinions on these things, but this time, just this once, I want to leave a personal opinion. I just want to say, instead of them trying to pull you down to them, how about coming up to you? You know, like how about meeting you where you are? This person is going to have a major epiphany about that and what is needed. But they're not going to really catch on to this until later down the line. I feel like right now, the only thing that they're catching on is trying to figure out where you are, who you're with, and what you're doing, and why you're not around them. You're some kind of way distance from them, whether it's emotional distance, physical distance, or something like that. But whatever it is, they're just going to be determined to have you close again. And that's what they're going to be focused on. All right. So that's all I have. I hope this helps. God bless.